If you're seeing the Steam content file locked error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when Steam can't modify a game file because another program, an antivirus tool, or even a stuck background process is holding that file hostage. The good news is that in most cases, you can clear it without reinstalling the game. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first fix is a network and system reset that solves a lot of stubborn Steam issues. In many cases, the problem isn't just Steam itself, it's a low-level Windows lock that gets in the way. To do this, go to the Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the black window opens, type net-ish Winsock reset and press Enter. Windows will reset the network catalog, which can help release weird system-level locks that Steam gets stuck on. After that, restart your computer immediately. This is one of the most reliable first fixes, especially if the error keeps coming back after you try to download or update a game. If that didn't solve it, the next step is to identify the exact file causing the issue. This is the more surgical fix because Steam is often fighting with your antivirus or another process over one specific file. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then click Protection History. Look for any recent blocks or detections connected to your Steam folder or the game you're trying to update. If you see something like Steam_API 64.dll or a game executable file, open the item and choose Actions, then Allow on Device. That tells Windows Security to stop blocking that file so Steam can update it normally. If you still can't find the problem, there's another advanced way to track it down. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together. Then go to the Performance tab and click Open Resource Monitor. In Resource Monitor, switch to the CPU tab and look for the associated handle search box. Type the name of the game or part of the file name there. If a process is using that file, you'll see it appear in the list. Right-click the process and choose End Process if it's safe to do so. This can release the file lock and let Steam continue the update. Just be careful not to end anything important to Windows itself. Another fix that works surprisingly well is clearing Steam's download cache. Sometimes the content file locked message is caused by a damaged temporary download file inside Steam rather than a real lock from another app. To do this, open Steam, click Steam in the top left, then go to Settings and select Downloads. From there, click Clear Download Cache and confirm the prompt. Steam will restart and you'll need to log back in, but this often clears out the temporary data that was causing the update to fail. After logging in again, try the download one more time and see if the issue is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is repairing the Steam library folder. This is especially useful if Windows permissions or folder settings have gone a little rogue over time. Open Steam again, go to Settings, then Storage. Find the drive where the game is installed. Next to the drive bar, click the three dots and choose Repair Folder. Steam will check the library structure and fix any folder permission issues it can detect. This can help when the game files are fine, but Steam can't access them properly. At this point, most content file locked errors are usually fixed. If you want one simple order to follow, do it like this. Reset Winsock, check Windows Security and Protection History, use Resource Monitor to find the locked file, clear the download cache, and then repair the Steam library folder. That gives you the best chance of solving the issue without wasting time. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Steam tips, PC gaming fixes, and troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video on how to fix Steam Disk Writing error, corrupted download error, or Steam Update stuck issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.